I was captain of the Royal Guard. The soldiers you met were my men, or what's left of them. And this is where we've lived for the past...
13 years.
Has it been that? Feels like an eternity.
It's like 1,000 enroach years.
Don't worry about the lightning. It strikes randomly. You'll get used to it. I don't even feel it anymore. See? It's nothing. Now would somebody please tell me who I am?
You're the captain?
And what are these?
Those are your hands.
Smashing.
There was a time when our kingdom was perfect. Then, the ultimate evil invaded our world. Emperor Zhong. He destroyed our planet and took the royal family.
The universe is mine.
But someday, a hero will set things right. Whoa! Floyd, you're lucky I have cat-like reflexes.
I've been sitting on this rock for 13 years. There's gotta be more out there for me.
Aren't you supposed to be in bed?
I'm not a kid anymore.
I believe in you, buddy. You just gotta prove that you're ready for more responsibility.
I just pulled a muscle in my entire body.
I'm telling you, this is as good as it gets. Huh? Your hand? Don't you realize what this is?
What?
It's the seal of the royal family.
What?
Your Highness?
Spark! I thought he was dead! No matter. It's time to take out the trash.
What exactly are you planning?
Just killing the prince, destroying another planet, and having the universe bow before me in fear! Oh, yes. Anyone up for some lunch?
Sure, I guess so.
Yeah. Okay, who's driving?
We need to start on a plan to take on Zhong.
We're outnumbered, outgunned.
I have a chance so long as I have this! This is gonna be a little more difficult. People of Bana, Zhong laid waste to our planet, but together, we're taking it back!
Can we go to the bathroom first?
Yes! I've been waiting 13 years for this.
It's showtime!
Let's kick some asteroids! Chunk, you can do this.
I don't do well under pressure.